The world of e-commerce is a bustling marketplace full of opportunities for entrepreneurs and businesses of all sizes. In this digital arena, two platforms stand out as titans: Shopify and MercadoLibre. Shopify, a Canadian giant, has become synonymous with ease of use and scalability. It empowers millions of businesses, from small startups to global brands, to build their online presence. MercadoLibre, on the other hand, dominates Latin America. It's known for its robust marketplace and integrated fintech solutions. These two platforms, while sharing the common goal of facilitating online commerce, have taken distinctly different paths to success. Their contrasting approaches, strengths, and target markets make for a fascinating study in the evolving landscape of e-commerce. In this exploration, we'll delve into the unique characteristics of Shopify and MercadoLibre. We'll examine their business models, user experience, and impact on the global market. By understanding the nuances of each platform, entrepreneurs and businesses can make informed decisions about which best suits their needs and aspirations. Join us as we unravel the strengths and weaknesses of these e-commerce titans and gain insights into the future of online selling. Shopify has emerged as a dominant force in e-commerce, particularly in North America. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive suite of tools have made it a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. Shopify's growth has been nothing short of impressive. In 2022, Shopify reported a revenue of $4.6 billion, representing a significant increase from the previous year. This growth is a testament to the platform's popularity and the increasing shift towards online commerce. Shopify's success can be attributed to several factors. Its intuitive platform allows even those with limited technical expertise to create and manage online stores. The platform offers a wide range of customizable templates, payment gateways, and marketing tools. This comprehensive approach has made Shopify a one-stop shop for businesses looking to establish their online presence. Moreover, Shopify's App Store provides access to thousands of third-party applications. These apps extend the platform's functionality, allowing businesses to tailor their online stores to their specific needs. Whether it's integrating with social media platforms, managing inventory, or enhancing customer support, Shopify's App Store empowers businesses to customize their e-commerce operations. Shopify and MercadoLibre, while both serving the e-commerce market, operate on fundamentally different business models. Shopify primarily functions as a platform provider. It empowers businesses to create their own online stores, providing the tools and infrastructure for them to manage their sales, marketing, and customer interactions. Shopify generates revenue through subscription fees, transaction fees, and sales of additional services like domain registration and email marketing. MercadoLibre, on the other hand, operates as a hybrid model, combining a traditional marketplace with a robust fintech ecosystem. It provides a platform for third-party sellers to list their products, similar to Amazon or eBay. However, MercadoLibre differentiates itself through its integrated financial services, including its popular payment platform, Mercado Pago. This integrated approach has allowed MercadoLibre to establish a strong foothold in Latin America, where traditional banking infrastructure is often limited. Mercado Pago has become a trusted payment solution for millions of users, facilitating secure and convenient online transactions. The platform's focus on financial inclusion has been instrumental in its growth and popularity in the region. Reaching global markets. Different approaches. Shopify and MercadoLibre have adopted contrasting strategies for expanding their reach into international markets. Shopify has focused on building a global infrastructure, offering its platform in multiple languages and currencies. This approach allows businesses worldwide to leverage Shopify's tools and reach customers in their respective markets. Shopify's global expansion has been supported by strategic partnerships with payment providers and shipping carriers around the world. This ensures that businesses using Shopify can offer seamless checkout experiences and efficient shipping options to customers regardless of their location. MercadoLibre, in contrast, has primarily focused on strengthening its presence within Latin America. Its deep understanding of the region's cultural nuances, consumer behavior, and regulatory landscape has allowed it to establish a dominant market share. MercadoLibre's strategic focus on Latin America has enabled it to tailor its platform and services to meet the specific needs of businesses and consumers in the region. User experience, a tale of two platforms. The The user experience on Shopify and MercadoLibre differs significantly, reflecting their distinct target audiences and platform functionalities. Shopify prioritizes ease of use and customization for businesses creating their own online stores. Its intuitive interface and drag-and-drop functionality make it easy for users to design and manage their online storefronts. Shopify's extensive theme library offers a wide range of templates that businesses can customize to align with their brand identity. The platform also provides comprehensive support documentation and tutorials, empowering users to navigate the platform with confidence. MercadoLibre, on the other hand, prioritizes a seamless shopping experience for consumers browsing its marketplace. Its platform is designed for easy navigation, product discovery, and secure transactions. MercadoLibre's search functionality allows users to filter products based on various criteria such as price, category, and location. The platform also features user reviews and ratings, providing shoppers with valuable insights into product quality and seller reliability. MercadoLibre's integrated payment system, Mercado Pago, ensures secure and convenient transactions, contributing to a positive overall user experience. Choosing your champion, Shopify or MercadoLibre. Selecting the right e-commerce platform depends on the specific needs and goals of the business. Shopify emerges as the ideal choice for businesses seeking to establish their own branded online store. Its intuitive platform, customizable features, and global reach empower businesses to build and scale their online presence. Shopify is particularly well-suited for businesses operating in North America and other regions where Shopify has a strong infrastructure and partner network. Its comprehensive suite of tools and services caters to businesses of all sizes, from startups to established brands. MercadoLibre, on the other hand, presents a compelling option for businesses targeting the Latin American market. Its dominant market share, integrated fintech solutions, and deep understanding of the region's consumer behavior make it an attractive platform for businesses seeking to tap into this growing market. MercadoLibre's marketplace model is particularly well-suited for businesses selling products that cater to the specific needs and preferences of Latin American consumers. Its integrated payment system, Mercado Pago, offers a secure and convenient transaction experience, enhancing trust and customer satisfaction. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and MercadoLibre depends on factors such as target market, business model, and desired level of control over the online store. By carefully considering these factors, entrepreneurs and businesses can select the platform that best aligns with their e-commerce aspirations.